Today we are going to be making pizza.
The ingredients to make pizza is 200 grams of plain flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, 100 milliliters of water, and your choice of toppings.
Heat the oven to 200 Celsius or 180 Celsius, fan gas 6. Mix the flour, baking powder and salt in a bowl.
Add the oil and water and mix to make a dough. If it is too dry, add a little more water. It should be soft but not sticky.
Sprinkle flour lightly on your work surface and knead the dough for 3 to 4 minutes.
Ma si nati in Italia, sienta a me non c'è sta niente a fa. Ok napolitan, tu vuoi fa l'american, tu vuoi fa l'american. Come te può capire chi te va bene? Si tu la parla miezza americana.
Split the dough into 2 balls and flatten it out using your hands or use a rolling pin. Make sure the dough is thin as you can.
Come te viene in capo di I love you. Tu vuoi fa l'americana, americana, americana. Sienta a me chi t'ho fa fame. Tu vuoi vivere alla moda, ma se bevi whisky and soda.
Place the dough on a baking sheet and cover the surface of the dough with passata or your choice of pizza sauce.
Me sorte beccamel, chi te li dà la borsetta di mamma tu vuoi fa.
Sprinkle cheese over the sauce and add your choice of toppings.
Ma si nati in Italia, sienta a me non c'è sta niente a fa. Ok napolitan, tu vuoi fa l'american, tu vuoi fa l'american.
Bake in the oven for 5 to 8 minutes until the cheese is melted and toppings are cooked through. You may need to cook a little longer if your pizza base is thicker or you have a lot of toppings.
Tu vuoi fa l'americano, americano, americano. Ma si nati in Italia, sienta a me non c'è sta niente a fa. Ok napolitan, tu vuoi fa l'american, tu vuoi fa l'american. Wish che so del rock and roll, wish che so del rock and roll, wish che so del rock and roll.
Buonasera, signorina, buonasera. Com'è bello stare a Napoli.